Today's video is on the Epson SureColor S9170 solvent printer unboxing. Remember to save your packaging until the printer is fully functional and running flawlessly. Remove and set aside the contents of the box. Follow the setup guide provided in the box when assembling the base for the printer. Each letter should have a corresponding letter next to it, as you see here. 2 people for assembly are recommended at this time. Use the Allen wrench to tighten all screws that were provided in the box. Identify the front and back crossbars of the stand before assembly. They are both marked with lettering that corresponds with letters on the legs. There are 4 screws on each side of the bar that attach it to the legs of the printer. Once you are done assembling the base, you will now need to locate the 2 metal poles to lift the printer. Insert the poles into the base of the printer assembly. Before lifting, ensure the printer's leg brakes are active. A minimum of 4 people are recommended for lifting the printer into place over the base. With the printer flush on the base, you may now remove the metal poles. Locate the screws to fasten the printer onto the base. Tighten the screws in with the provided Allen wrench. You will now be able to install the end caps for the crossbar of the base. You will need to attach the media holders on the back crossbar. Attach the communication wire as you see here. There is a holder for the front and back, and both have a left and right side. Please ensure you have the correct corresponding letters. Now attach the communication wire from the heater assembly to the printer above the front media holder. Next, place the waste ink bottle bracket on the rear left side of the printer. You will now attach the bulk ink solution securing system on the front and back crossbars. This secures the bottle bracket into place. Attach the communication wire to the bracket as well as the waste tube. Remove all the packaging tape if you have not already. Grab the bulk ink tower and remove the tape as well. You will now secure the corresponding bracket to it with 4 screws. Place it under the front right side of the printer. Secure the bulk ink tower in place as so. Lock the bulk ink tower wheels. Attach the cables in the rear of the printer to the bulk ink tower. Remove the black cover over the ink tubes that is attached to the printer and connect the tubes to the bulk ink tower. Once locked into place, cover this area with the provided caps as you see here. You may now attach the power cables. On the front crossbar, attach the media supports. Secure the gray handle on the tension bar. You will have your additional media tools that you can store under the printer or next to it. Now, you are ready to power the printer on. Follow the prompts on the display screen. You will need to insert the flushing pad. You will need to insert the wiper unit and insert the air filters as seen here. On the display, it will now ask you to load ink packs. Ensure you have shaken the ink pack 25 times before inserting. Repeat this process for all 11 pouches of ink. Then place the waste ink bottle in its holder. You will be ready to initiate the priming process. The time will show the duration of the initialization, and once done, the display will show a check mark. Your printer is now ready.